Hey friends, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby and today we're harvesting more tulips. So I thought I would bring you along with us. So I was thinking about harvesting these today, but I actually think that they need a little bit more time. Some of them look open and then others look pretty closed off. So I'm going to leave these for maybe another day or 48 hours. But let's check over here. These are definitely ready to go. You can see the color is starting to pop out on these, and so I will go ahead and harvest these today, and also some of these over here for our Easter bouquets. So these will be really pretty pinks and purples for our Easter bouquets that we'll be offering. So we are in zone 6A and the temperatures have been all over the place. This whole weekend has been incredibly stormy and we've had tornado warnings, etc., etc. So you never know what the weather's going to do, and because of that, we've had some super warm days and some really cold nights. And you can still see that the ranunculus is getting closed up at night, and then I open it up every morning. So that's what I'm out here to do as well. And I just wanted to check on the tulips and then harvest any that are ready for Easter and also for our subscriptions. So some of the tulips have been producing really tall stems even above the soil, and then others have been really short. And then when I pull them out of the soil, they are still pretty good because they're giving me about 6 to 7 inches. And then I have been able to trim off the bulb and then have that extra stem length, but it's still a little shorter than some of the other varieties that are more single bloom styles. The doubles are just kind of a little bit short this season, and I think it's because we've had so many warm days. I don't think it's because they haven't gotten enough water. So, we just have to kind of see how it goes and then use what we can and change the vase size. If it needs to be a shorter vase, then we just kind of adapt. But anyways, let's pull some pretty flowers. These are 50-foot beds and all of our supplies are from Johnny's. This is frost cloth, which has been perfect for keeping the ranunculus happy. On nights below 42 degrees, I cover the ranunculus. I harvest tulips by pulling the bulb out. This allows me to store in the fridge between 38 degrees and 42 degrees for up to 3 weeks. I didn't do a lot of bed prep before planting the tulips in the fall because I was 30 plus weeks pregnant. However, I will be adding some fine gravel to the soil where the bulb sits in addition to the compost, so I can get the bulb easier every single time. I've lost quite a few bulbs because they didn't come up, they were stuck to the soil, and I just want to make sure that I can have the best success with storing them in the fridge. So that's why I need the bulb. You can store without the bulb, it just takes a different process and I don't care for it as much. I think I'll also try growing tulips in crates this fall, so stay tuned for that. Aren't these so gorgeous? They are going to open up and be sort of a raspberry color. They're going to look awesome for Easter. Well, now that I've harvested these, I need to wash off the bulbs and get all the compost off, and that way I can store them in the refrigerator for a few days. This is how I clean the bulbs before storing them in the fridge. I use this high-pressured sprayer that I got from Johnny's, and that's what I also use to clean off the dahlia tubers in the fall, and it's working really good. So if you're interested in checking out a nice high-powered sprayer, this is a good option. I don't have it on the full blast. I just kind of hold my finger a little bit, and that way I control how much pressure comes out. And this is how I clean the bulbs and all the leaves. So it's ready to go. It can store in the fridge, and then I can take it out later when I'm ready to put the bouquets together, and it's all nice and ready to go. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.